Imagine that we have a system that needs to process 100 million transactions and that we can process 1,000 transactions per second. 99.95% of those transactions are going to take 20 milliseconds each. So overall, 27 hours and 46 minutes. For the other 0.05%, something is a little bit off. Could be a message queue, could be a database. And for 50 seconds, the latency is not 20 milliseconds, and it's now 500 milliseconds. What happens to the overall system latency numbers? If we are talking about average latency, it barely changed. It went from 20 milliseconds to 20.2. However, for the 99.95 percentile latency, the change is big. It goes from 20 milliseconds to 500 milliseconds. 500 is now the new threshold below which we have 99.95% of the transactions and 0.05% at 500 or above. All it took was the system to be slower for just 50 seconds out of 27 hours and 46 minutes for this latency to go from 20 milliseconds to 500. That's why percentile latencies are hard.